Well, hello there again. How do you like the blue color here? So, somebody on a Drake radio forum had said that the original color of these Drakes was this blue shade. So, they had posted a color of this theatrical paper, which is used for hot colored lights, and this stuff is by Lee Filters, Andover, England, number 172. And so they said this is close to the Drake color. And this old filter was what was on the main dial here, and it was sort of installed like this, and it was kind of hitting the gearworks in there too. So took that out, and in the meter, this little guy was installed in there, which is almost clear now. You can see at the edges where it's kind of got the blue going on, so I guess the guy's probably pretty correct in his color being the original Drake color, so whatever. I was so used to the old incandescent color that this looks weird to me, but hey, if you're going to stay true to character. So anyway, to get this stuff in, without taking the front panel off, I just took off these two screws here, and you can hold the side here of the screw to keep it from changing or turning, and then you get these nuts off. The whole meter suddenly comes off. Then you can actually then get some soap and clean these little meters in the front, which was nice because I got all the surface of those. And then I just put this strip in the meter. So once you get inside here, you go through the meters, and there's a strip, like this inside. So I just cut it out and put it in there. And of course, the same with the large strip here, which you can see at the bottom. And that produces this supposedly Drake-esque glow, which, do I like it? I don't know. It makes it harder to read the meters, I guess, but that's how the radio looked when it was new, I guess, so we have to keep it original. Anyway, there's somebody talking on there. I can hardly get anybody on any band here because of the noise. There's some guys in Reno that come on here at night. So I still got a nasty problem with 40 meters, and let me show you this problem here. And it only happens when I have a long wire antenna in this radio, which is really weird, but I'll show you what I mean. So if I go to 40 meters here and give it some volume, you can hear the little heterodyne, and if I move the RF tune here, okay, so that's not right. And so it's going crazy. If I take the antenna out, it goes away. So something can do with the antenna oscillating, but it just shouldn't do that. Anyway, it's basically this tube here. I've replaced it, but what I've found is if I get a shield and shield the tube like this, watch this, problem gone. So I'm just going to put a shield on there, I think, and that's it. I don't know what's causing it, but I don't care. If I can put a shield on there and fix it, that's good. So maybe the RF amp has too much gain, I don't know. But it's a real nasty little problem. Anyway, that makes 40 meters very unpleasant. That's about it for the radio, though. I think once I fix that problem, whoever had this radio, of course, tossed out all the tube shields, and these sockets I think Drake didn't put in right, and the shields made the tubes come out too far and they wouldn't seat in the socket, so I took the shields off those. But slowly getting the radio back to usability. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Again, there's the Drake Blue. I'm not sure if it's a true Drake Blue or not sure if I care, but people said that it's supposed to be blue, so it's blue. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.